Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these crates from Dollar Tree and some scrapbook paper from Joann's. I take 2 of the crates and use some wood glue to glue them together side by side. I clip them to hold them into place while the glue dries, and then the back always lifts up, so I took some painter's tape and just taped that real tight against the 2 of those to keep the back closed while the glue dried as well. I made 2 sets of those, and then 2 I left not glued together, so I used 6 total. I let them dry for about an hour before I worked with them again. Next, I took one of the sets of 2 and held these single crates up along the edge. I marked off with a pencil where they will meet and end. I did the same thing to the other set, just because I don't want to paint those so the wood glue adheres better. I took black chalk paint, mixed it with some water so it spreads easier, and a sponge brush, and painted the inside of where I made those markings on both of those sets of crates. And then I painted everything else, including the inside, on those 2 sets. For the single crates, I painted everything but the ends. I measured the bottom inside of the crates and used this cardboard of those measurements as my template. Traced that out 6 times on the back of this scrapbook paper, which I got from Joann's. Cut out each of those pieces. I applied Mod Podge to the inside bottom of each of the crates, and then placed down the scrapbook paper that I had cut out, just smoothing it out with my hands the best I could. And then I used my heating tool to dry that, pushing down with some saran wrap to smooth it out and get out any bubbles. Next, I'll be using this matte varnish by Waverly to cover the entire crates. I did all of the scrapbook first separately, because if I touch the paint with it, it might bleed through, and then I'll get that onto the scrapbook paper. So I did all the scrapbook paper first, used my heating tool and the saran wrap again to dry it, and then use the varnish on the rest of the crates, except for the unfinished wood. Made sure to dry those completely. And then I took the single crates and wood glued them to the ends of the sets of 2. Again, using clips to hold them into place until they dry. And after I have them clipped together, I let it dry overnight. And I also went back and painted those spots left by the crates. But it was super easy, and I just love how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching.